the channel. Today we have a treat here. This is a drink called Guinness Foreign Extra Stout. But before we begin, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell for more beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's see, Guinness is one of the most iconic breweries in the world. It's renowned for its deep-rooted history and exceptional quality stouts. Among its intensive lineup, the Guinness Foreign Extra Stout stands out as a robust and richly flavored beer, beloved by millions for its intensity and unique character. A little bit about the brewery. The Guinness Brewery, officially known as the St. James Gate Brewery, was founded in Dublin, Ireland in 1759 by Arthur Guinness. And they had a lease for 9,000 years. I love that lease. Now the Foreign Extra Stout was first introduced in 1801, initially brewed as a stronger version to their regular stout. It was specifically designed for export to distant markets. The stout was created to withstand long sea voyages, particularly to tropical climates where the beer's higher alcohol content and greater use of hops help preserve it during transport. Wow, saw that earlier. That's interesting. So I'm going to see if there's a date on here. And I don't see a date. No date. It's dateless. Bummer. So the alcohol by volume is 7.5, and the IBUs, I believe, are at 47. I do believe. Now this, open her up here, get a look at it. I believe it's a very dark beer. Very, very dark. I have to wait a little bit here. Sure is pretty. Very dark with a medium to dark tan head. So I could definitely smell roasted malts and dark chocolate. A little bit of coffee and molasses. I do smell molasses. So with the smell of molasses, let's see how it tastes. So the legacy and quality of the Foreign Extra Stout, enduring popularity, can be attributed to its consistent quality and the brewery's commitment to maintaining the traditional brewing methods. that have defined Guinness for centuries. Just waiting for it to go down. Sure smells good. Sure looks good too. Definitely taste the dark chocolate. A lot of dark chocolate. That's very prominent in the flavor. Very malty. It's very good. Very good. I've never had this before. This must be the highest Guinness at 7.5%. I was kind of leery about tasting it because after tasting all these other beers, I think the Guinness Stout is very good, but the stronger the Guinness gets, the less smoothness you get out of the beer. The stronger one is not as smooth as the 4.2. So I didn't think this was going to taste as good as it is, but it is pretty good. I think everything's blended pretty good in this. Nothing's overpowering anything. Very good. So the Guinness Foreign Extra Stout is more than just a beer. It's a piece of brewing history, a testament to the enduring quality of one of the world's most famous breweries. With its rich flavors, high ABV, and significant IBU, it offers a unique and robust experience that has made it a favorite among stout lovers for over 2 centuries. Too bad you couldn't get a bottle that was bottled back in the 1800s to see how it tastes compared to this. If it tasted exactly like that, or if they improved it over the years. But for 7.5, it's a smooth drink. It's a smooth beer. And I'd rate this as a 7.5 out of 10. It is pretty good. So I want to thank you for joining me today. That'll about do it. Don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.